Most people get this wrong, and they end up paying for Spotify Premium, even after they stop using it. The biggest mistake is thinking deleting the app cancels the subscription. It doesn't. And that small misunderstanding can cost you month after month. Here's the truth no one tells you. Spotify subscriptions are tied to your account, not your device. So even if you uninstall the app, the billing continues in the background. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to cancel Spotify Premium in 2026, how to confirm it worked, and what to do if you still get charged. Let's start with the fastest method. Open a browser on your phone or laptop and go to the Spotify website. Log in to your account. Now go to your profile in the top right corner and click Account. This takes you to your account overview page. Now here's where it gets interesting. Scroll down until you find Your Plan. You will see your current premium subscription listed there. Click on Change Plan. Spotify will show different options, including free and premium tiers. Scroll all the way down and select Cancel Premium. Confirm your choice when prompted. But here's the problem most users face. They think cancellation means immediate shutdown. It doesn't. Your premium access continues until the end of your current billing cycle. So if your renewal date is the 25th, you can still use premium features until then. Now let's talk about refunds. Spotify usually does not offer refunds for unused time. But there are exceptions. For example, if you were charged due to a billing error or accidental renewal, you can contact Spotify support through the help section. Explain your situation clearly. A support agent may review your case and respond within a few days. Now here's another important detail. If you subscribe through Apple, Google Play, or another third-party provider, you cannot cancel directly on Spotify. You must go to that platform's subscription settings instead. This is where many people get stuck and keep getting charged without realizing why. In a minute, here's the easiest way to make sure you never get charged again by accident. Go into your email and search for Spotify receipts. Find your billing date and set a reminder one day before renewal. That small step alone can save you from future unwanted charges. Also, after canceling, check your account page again. It should show a free plan status. If it still shows premium, the cancellation did not go through correctly, and you need to repeat the process. So here's the simple breakdown. Log in through a browser, go to your account, change your plan, and cancel premium. Then confirm your plan is now free and track your billing date. If this helped you avoid unnecessary charges, like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides that save you money and time every day.